Welcome! Now that we have understood the meaning of syntax and items to be defined while using the VLOOKUP function, let us apply the formula on a data to understand it practically. In the given set of data, we have monthly expenses divided into various categories. We'll select two expenses out of the data, movie and house rent, and we'll use the VLOOKUP formula to fetch the category and amount against them. Let us first fetch the category of expenses for movie. We'll press equals to sign and then type VLOOKUP and then open a bracket. Then we will define the lookup value, that is the item for which we want to fetch the details. In example, movie or cell B21. After this, we will press comma and then we will define the table array, that is the table we want to fetch the value from. After this, we will put comma and we will define the column index number, that is the number of the column from which we want to fetch the value from. In our case, since we want to fetch the category of expenses out of the table which is mentioned on the second column number, hence we will press 2 and then we will again press comma and then we will select true in the optional range lookup value as we want to find the exact match. Then we will close the bracket and press enter. As we can see, we have fetched the category of expenses, that is entertainment, against movie. Now we will simply paste this formula on cell C22 to find the category of expenses against house rent. Now we want to fetch the amount of expenses for movie and house expenses. For this, we will simply repeat the formula we applied. However, please do not copy paste it and replace the column number 2 with 3 as the amount of expenses are mentioned on the column number 3 of the table. With this, we have completed the understanding of VLOOKUP formula on a practical example. Thank you. See you at the next part of the course.